Good morning, good noon, and good evening, everyone. Come and see the amazing work of skilled laborers. Road haulage is a barbed pillow that allows a train to occupy an area. In the early days of the railroad system, the handover of road haulage sets had to be completed during the progress of the train. Mortise and tenon construction emphasizes a broken rail without breaking the tenon. The beekeeper is gently extracting honey with a small stone and wood spoon. Using fine wire to cut cheese minimizes crumbs. Metal chess. Beer bottom feeder. The principle of crossed twin rotors involves two rotors mounted on the same axis. They rotate in opposite directions to provide stability and better balance. Internal configuration of a two-cylinder engine. Building a starter motor uses electricity from the torch to turn the engine. Once the engine starts running, the starter motor will... This universal furniture is able to adapt and securely fix irregular objects of all kinds. Thermal expansion phenomenon is due to the internal microparticles in the material after absorbing heat energy to speed up the movement between each other to increase the distance, resulting in the volume of the whole material to increase. The big counterpart to this is this cold shrinking technique. Allows parts to slide smoothly into the bearing for a precise fit.